Hi everyone! This video tutorial is on how to make your own digital yearbook signing page. You're going to be given a link, and once you click on the link, you'll see this page. The first step is to create your own intro page. So you're going to type in your name. I'm going to write Mrs. Kim. School name, Tennekill Middle School. Signing end date, I'm just going to make it June 30th. You can make it July 30th if you want. And then type NJ for New Jersey. And then I click agree to the terms and conditions. If you scroll down, before you click save, design, and continue, if you would like to change your colors, I'm going to choose yellow. You can do so. And then hit save, design, and continue. Then this step 2 is where you sign up with your MVNet address. So my address will be tmsyearbook@mvnet.org. And then your password, make sure it contains 8 characters, 1 symbol, and 1 uppercase letter, and 1 number. So here it is. Hopefully that works. And then I'm not going to click that. Create signing pages. It'll load. It's going to ask you for verification code. So you would have to log back into your mvnet.org email address, and then you're going to enter the 6-digit code here. So I'm going to submit code, and everybody will have a different code. So make sure you check your email for verification code. And this is my yearbook signing page, and that's really it. So once you get here, you're pretty much done. Now you have to click your shareable link. So this is your link or URL. You're going to copy, and you can share with your friends, your teachers, so that they can go on and sign your yearbook virtually. Here's a little option where you can delete your pages. Here's another option where you would want notification email each time someone signs your yearbook, or if you want to be notified when your yearbook is completely signed. Now I'm going to show you how to use this link to sign on your friends' yearbook pages. So I copied this link and then I pasted onto here. My friends page will show up. And then you're going to click sign pages. This will pop up. I'm going to select your text font you want. And then you can align it however you want. I'm going to choose green. Then enter your message here. I'm going to type congratulations. Good luck. And then I want to also include my name, because it won't do it for you. So let me make it like that. Let's move this font first so I can make it just like that. And then I want to add a sticker by double clicking. So that's where it is. Position it where you want it, and then submit message. And that's it. And there you go. I hope that this made sense. And if you have any questions, please reach out to one of the 8th grade teachers. And now you can go sign your friends' yearbooks.